Claus is coming to town. Oh, let's go!
Hi, it's Heidi with Ascend Therapy Services, and it is day 7 of our 12 Days of Christmas series, talking about items that can give the gift of independence and make great gifts as well. So today we're talking about this batter dispenser. It's pretty neat. You pour your batter in, put the lid on, it has this handle right here, and it comes right out the bottom. So someone can hold it with one hand if they only can use one hand to do some things. If it's a bit heavy, they can use two hands and support it. But this is really ideal for someone who may have difficulty using batter to do things such as making pancakes or putting muffin or cupcake batter into the little muffin or cupcake tins, because that can get pretty messy, scooping and dabbing and whatnot. So if someone has a hard time using both hands, or they only have one hand that they're able to use and they want to be able to put the batter on the pan instead of holding and pouring, they can pick this up with one hand and use it. It's pretty lightweight. It's really nice. It's obviously the weight of the batter is what would lay it down, but the dispenser itself is pretty light. If someone does have a harder time holding heavier things and it does get heavy for them, it does have the nice round edge that you can just kind of stick your whole hand on, support it with the other hand, and use two hands to pour it. It also could work great for someone who maybe has some tremors or lower hand coordination and difficulty manipulating their hands to do things, or if they are shaky with those tremors when trying to dispense that batter, it could become quite a mess. So with this, there's no mess. It's really nice. You can see when I pour the batter on, I'm going to squeeze the handle. It comes right out. I click to stop, and it stops. And I would leave it here for a second just to make sure there's no drips, but it clears it off pretty cleanly. It's not going to drag batter over when I set it here while I wait for this pancake to cook. So it's a really handy tool. My daughters love it because I'm able to use it to make shapes. I was making them heart-shaped pancakes the other day with it because of the little dispenser that comes out. So great for pancakes, great for muffins, great for cupcakes, and other items that you use batter for. Again, great for people if they have a harder time using both hands to do things, or if they have some tremors or difficulty scooping things out using both of their hands. Also really great if someone had lower vision. If they're trying to scoop their muffin batter into their cupcake holders and they can't see very well, it's really hard to navigate the bowl and the spoon and the little cupcake tins and the little cupcake, paper things that go in the tins, and it can become quite messy. If you use something like this, you can kind of hold the cupcake paper right below it and dispense them in each one, and then you know it's going where you want it to go, right in that little tin piece. So it is just a batter dispenser. It works really great. It's pretty fun to use and could make a great gift, so check it out. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.
You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I am telling you.